Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add expansion of a sum equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add expansion of a sum equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then we can see here many options. We find and select the equation option, then click the equation drop down menu. Now we can see here many equation. We find and select the expansion of a sum, then click it to insert this equation on our Word document. Now we can see we added expansion of a sum equation in this document very easily. Now we want to add or edit the equation. Click the equation box, then select any text to edit the text. Select the one text and change 4. Otherwise you can add more equation to this equation box. Go to the design menu and add the fraction, script, radical, integral or large operation, etc. Now we can see we added or edit the expansion of sum equation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.